Hey guys, Dave here, and we are on location from this Cape Cod home remodeling project. If you remember, about 8 weeks back, we started this entire top floor. Nothing much on the first floor, just a wall that we had to reinforce, a header. But the whole top floor was added, 3 beds and a bath. It's our final walkthrough today. Let's turn the camera around. I'll show you what it looks like. All right, so here is the home. If you recall, this is just a small little Cape Cod, similar to that house over there. And take a look at it now. It's got a lot of character, a lot of peaks. We have the eyebrow going mid-level. Stonework, front porch has been redesigned. Really nice layout. So let's go in and I'll show you what it looks like upstairs. All right, so walking in the front door. Now, if you recall, this was all existing. The only thing we did is we took out the header and reinforced it with a steel plate. And basically the header was there. We just had to pull it apart, reinforce it with the steel with additional 2x12s and put it back together. So let's go upstairs. I'll show you what it looks like. So as we walk in the front here, the staircase was all in place. And we took down everything from the floor level up. So as we walk in here, you can go, we got 3 bedrooms here, you got the hallway, and over there is the master bedroom. We have the Jack and Jill bathroom, which ties in the hallway access and the master bedroom. And then over here, we have 2 additional bedrooms. So let's go in there and we'll take a look at both bedrooms. So if we walk in here, you can see we have a double window, full-size closet. It's all been painted. This is part of the package, the paint package. We have a little alcove there for a desk, and it's all set. So this room, we have a wall mount TV, access here. We have a double closet. Screens are in place, lights are in place. It's ready to move in. Across the hall is the second bedroom. And let's turn on the switch. So here we go, another big closet here, double window, finished floors, everything's ready, it's turnkey. You walk in, you put your furniture in, and it's all set. So that's the 2 bedrooms. This is a smaller Cape, and over here we have a linen closet at the top of the stairs, nice sized closet, and over here is the master bedroom suite. Okay, so we'll take a look at the master bedroom suite. And as we open the door here, this is the larger bedroom of the area, of the floor. We have a 10-foot tray ceiling wrapped with crown molding, and we have recessed lighting. We have a chandelier here. Great size room for the owners, and really came out nice. This is a 10-foot ceiling. And if you look down here, we have his and hers closets, walk in on both of the closets, and great sizes. I mean, look at the size of these closets. 6x6, walk in, fit nicely up here, another 6x6. And the homeowner is going to opt to put their shelving up. They have their own shelving packages that they want to put in. And over here we have a full-size window at the end of the hall. And this door right here is the Jack and Jill door into the bathroom. We have a sub panel up on the top floor here. And this way, if anything trips, they don't have to run all the way downstairs. Out in the hall, we have a pull down stairs, access to the attic. And let's go into the bathroom. All right, we'll open the bathroom door here. And again, there's the Jack and Jill door into the master suite. And as we walk in here, we have the robe hooks, towel bars, toilet. We're storing the paint in here for now. And look at this beautiful shower. We have a double vanity here, mirror, double light. And as we turn here, look at this custom corner shower unit wrapped in glass. Really opens this up. You got the door here, and got a custom bench on this one, and it also full size, looks out into the bathroom itself. We have a custom shelf, niche, and a double function shower for the handheld, and then we have a rain head. And the border wraps into the niche shelf. Came out really nice. This again is the access into the master bedroom. It's all set. This is turnkey. It's ready for the homeowners to move right in.